This is the outpatient, this is the patient elevator at the South Tower at Allegheny General Hospital in central Northside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is an old Westinghouse with the Schindler, Haughton, model the other ones. This one has the same cab as the passenger. I know the still got like those two service cars. This one also has the original Westinghouse door operator. This one has a lot of door issues. So we can get it to close. I hope it just didn't break. There we go. Because sometimes this elevator just randomly decides to break. Oh, big brake drift here at O2. This elevator's also really busy. Left doors. Got the 17. Button was hard to press. Here to left. And we're stopped. Just letting it went out. People just press random buttons for random elevators. There's like 3 different sets of elevators in this general area. People just press whatever buttons. And probably someone got one of the other ones who called this one. I think this one might be faster. This one's probably on a Westinghouse motor. Actually, all the Haughtons might be in this area. I'm not sure. Here at 17. The basic same cab as the main elevators with the green lower floor and forward. I don't know if someone's gonna get on here. If we're just stopping here, we'll find out. Random stop. I'm starting to wonder. No, I think it's on a Haughton controller. It just acts a little different. This one's. I don't think it's on a Haughton motor though. It's a very quirky elevator. I like it. You're back at 1. I don't think I've actually ever read this one before. I've written those ones, I've written the ports, but not this one. Yeah, probably that's going to be it.